Hi everyone and welcome back. So official press renders of upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra and S23 Plus is here. It also shows the bundled Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro that I hope so will be available with pre-orders of Samsung's next Galaxy phone. Also I have a watch face for giveaway that is from MD Watch Faces, so do check it out as well. S23 Ultra will be announced at Samsung's Unpacked event on 1st of Feb 2023. Although there is no major design change, but Samsung is working on a massive camera upgrade this time, and the color Samsung is going to use in promotional images will be green, like the one present here. Let's wait and see what Samsung does with their next Galaxy. Moving on to the watch face, this is MD310, available on Google Play Store. I am giving away free coupons for this watch face, so just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Talking about the design, our time is highlighted here in this big and bold format, while rest of the information is present at the top and bottom. For example, our battery percentage in this meter form is present with day and date, while bottom section shows step counter, dual time and notification indicator. Here we have our second that is moving around the bezel of this watch face. Talking about customization, watch face offers a lot of colors that you can choose and customize. Like first of all, you can change the color of time, then seconds and date. Next you can change the color of information highlighted in the background like this. Further we have some settings with background that you can change, and then you can change the color of foreground that makes the watch face kinda cool and interesting. At the end we have few color options for battery percentage and step goal. So this is MD310, available with ton of color options to choose from. Try it out, and now let's see its always on display mode. So always on display mode with this face is interesting. Overall the LCD is dimmed down to conserve battery life, while our time is still highlighted in a lighter color. And that was all about for today's episode. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.